is considered as a address. Habitat is considered as a address. Okay, where the organisms are known to found. That is called habitat. So what is mean by geographical range? The collection of the habitats. Is a habitat, another habitat, another habitat of a single species constitute the geographical range. Geographical range is constituted by collection of habitats. Collection of habitats of a single species is considered as a geographical areas. Organism in a habitat, any organism in any habitat, interact with each other. That means other organisms also can be the part of tropical levels, to form the food chain as well as food web. For example, xerobiotic habitat, that is a camel. You know that camel has specific adaptation to have life in the desert. They have the specific adaptation. How does it adapt themselves to survive in the desert? Can able to use water, efficiently and effectively by having the mechanism of that evaporating cooling system through the skin as well as respiratory system. By having these two mechanisms, evaporating cooling through their skin as well as respiratory system, they have these two mechanisms by which can maintain their water balance in an organisms, as well as they are excreting the concentrated urine. You know that water content is less in a urine is called concentrated urine. Diluted urine, more amount of water in a urine is called diluted urine. At the same time, they can able to stand, they can able to withstand or can able to tolerate even the dehydration occur in the body up to 25% of the body weight can tolerate. Such ability they have so that they can survive in the desert area, as well as the hoofs and hump also suitable adaptation for the survive in this dry sandy environment. Not only in the desert area, the organism known to found in the aquatic organism also have some challenge. What are the challenge they have? The maintenance of homeostasis as well as the osmotic balance. Osmotic balance. Excuse me. Hello, Jency ma'am.
Sir.
Hello. Excuse me, ma. That is okay. Even though they are not found in the aquatic medium, they also have some challenge. I meant that maintaining the homeostasis as well as osmotic balance. Homeostasis or internal constant state of an organism is also considered as a homeostatic. Osmotic balance is nothing but water balance. You see, in the case of marine animals, they have some appropriate adaptation, that is suitable adaptation to prevent the cell shrinkage. To prevent the cell shrinkage, they have some adaptation. And freshwater animals also have some suitable adaptation to withstand the bursting of their cells. To prevent the burst of their cells, they have some adaptation. Apart from these, organisms such as fish, they have some other adaptation like fins for locomotion, gills for respiration, streamlined body for fast locomotion, that is aerodynamic locomotion. Then lateral line system, useful to know the surroundings. Useful to know their surroundings. That is, it acts as a sensory organ, as well as air sac is present that help them to float. Kidney have for excretion. So fishes are known to found in aquatic organisms. That is aquatic organism known to found in the water. They have some adaptation to survive. You see in this picture, fishes are known to found in the marine. They are hypotonic. Hypotonic refers to what? More water is present inside the cell. The salt content is less. That is called hypotonic. Okay. Higher salt in surrounding water. You see, this is the cell. It's a cell. It's a surrounding water. In a surrounding water, salt concentration is higher than the cell, which means inside the cell water is more, salt is less, so the cell have less. You see the freshwater fishes, the fishes are hypertonic than the surroundings, higher salt in the surrounding medium. Okay. Hypotonic and hypertonic. I think this is not a new term to you. Hypotonic, more amount of water, lesser amount of solvent or salt. Hypertonic, more salt, less water content. So where they known to found, according to that, they have some specific adaptation to withstand. Is it clear?